Been a while since I've done a video update on this house. It's almost ready to be an Airbnb. The girl's name has some dirt in it, so it sticks out pretty good. And Ashley signed too. My Father's Day present from him. A pair of ferns for the planters. House was 2 weeks away from being tore down by the city. Keep that in mind. It's the oldest one-story federal house in the Mark Twain Historic District. Added some seating in. 1860s Missouri walnut sofa. Still playing around with lighting and hanging paintings up. Got one hiding back there that I'm thinking about putting there. That's actually a gas lamp made by Bradley and Hubbard that's been converted to electricity. It's a real federal tiger maple sideboard, period. Mount Sir Donald Expedition Art. The Proposal. This went on museum tour. Henredon dining room set. Art Nouveau vase. There's the rest of the Henredon. Got some curtains up in the kitchen. We'll see that last. Got access to the bathroom in there. Here's the first bedroom. There's my Sullivan bed. Missouri architect. Lived at the Sullivan building in St. Louis. Henrietta Wyatt's corner cover. There's the bathroom. Still working on hanging that shelf, make sure I want it there. Got the tub, got that, vanity, mirror. On the door. Got some nice rugs in here. Playing around with where this mirror should go. Figure the girls will want a mirror somewhere. Here's the back bedroom. This mattress came in. Still haven't broke the seal on it. Moved my 18th century tall chest over. I love this thing. One of my favorite pieces. Might put that mirror to the right there and move this over. I'm not sure. My garage sale find trash can. Maybe that painting there. Maybe that painting there. Missouri walnut. Civil War era chest. TV. There's my Joseph Paul Vorst mural. That's the back bedroom. Here's the sunroom. It's kind of a mess right now. It's the last room I've got all the tools and stuff stashed in before it all goes out of here permanently. Missouri jelly cupboard. Here's the utility room. That came out of a really old Civil War era building in Palmyra that got tore down. And we found itself back in an old house. Industrial stand. Had to get back in there, so now I have to touch it back up. Sunroom. Now we'll go into the kitchen. Maple floors that I put in out of an 1850s general store in St. Louis. All the cabinets came out of one mansion in Alton. Kind of rebuilt them all to fit in here perfectly. Had that curtain custom tailored for there. I have the match to it in the sunroom. I just haven't hung it up yet. Got a fridge in here. Cabinet up. Got a fan. Love this Southwest painting from the 1930s. Never had a wall big enough for it. Now I do. It's probably like 5 foot by 6 foot. Ellie's just hanging out. Well, that's the tour. Looks like I'm gonna have to go get to work and help fix that fence.